Hi guys, I'm going to do a demonstration on the power of the T-Fence MicroMag adjuster. This would come into play in situations where you have a lot of extra weight on your fence. Maybe you have a lot of accessories. I know Woodpecker has a whole bunch of stuff you can put on. Jessam, stock guides. Maybe your fence is out of alignment, old, doesn't slide very good. Situations where you're questioning on whether or not the magnets on the T-Fence MicroMag adjuster would be powerful enough to move your fence. I'll try to demonstrate that here and I guess see what everybody thinks. So yeah, I have essentially 120 pounds right here. You can see fence is unlocked. All I'm doing is moving the adjuster screw. I don't know if you can see the fence moving there, but yeah, no problem at all moving 120 pounds worth of additional weight on your fence. So that was just a quick intro. I'll rewind. You can watch it from start to finish. See what you think. So to start off, I have a saw stop professional cabinet saw. It's a standard T-style fence. I have a freshly cleaned and waxed rail. Cleaned and waxed the sliding surface on the rail, cleaned and waxed the sliding surface on the back of the table where the back of the fence rides, cleaned off this area where the adjuster attaches. And you can see how nice and easy it slides. So we'll start out by lining it up with the miter slot so you can see the fence moving. So we'll start out. I have a new T-Fence MicroMag adjuster. I put a film on the front side. There's a new film on the back side. I'll show you here in a minute why I put that film on the front side. So I'll go ahead and attach it to the fence. So I have two on-off magnets here. I have the one I've been using since I developed the tool. It's got a film on the back. Shows a little wear and tear. And then I have a new one fresh out of the package. One thing to note on these is if you drop it or if it's got a burr on the contact surface, you want to hit that with a file. The key to these is to have a good contact surface. So put it in the housing. We're going to start with this one. I'll demonstrate how much weight you can add to your fence before it starts slipping. So put it in the adjuster, lock it, turn it on, lock it at elevation. See that it moves fine. So I have some barbell weights here. I'll start out by putting 25-pound weight on it. Put a board there so make sure it sits on the fence and doesn't push the sides of the fence down. So yeah, no problem moving that. Add another 25 pounds. Again, no problem. I have 13.2. Still moves fine. Oh, there it starts slipping a little bit. So there you can see the adjuster. The 95-pound magnet side of the adjuster is starting to slip. So at that point, I guess I would say our limit is around 50 pounds without the film on the adjuster. We'll go ahead and take that 95-pound magnet out. Again, this is the one I've been using. It has a used film on the back. I didn't see a reason to replace it. Turn it on. Lock it elevation. There you can see it's moving the fence just fine. Another 13 pounds. So now we're at about 76. Looks like it's still moving it okay. Another 13 pounds. That'll put us at 88. So at this point, it looks like the rare earth magnet side of the adjuster is slipping, so that's where that film comes into play. With rare earth magnets, if you stack them, it will compound the holding power. So that's why I have that protective film. So I just have some extra ones here. I don't see a need where anybody would ever need this. This demonstration was just to show how much additional holding power the film on the 95-pound magnet will add. So go ahead and start moving it again. See, it's still moving. Another 13 pounds, that'll put us at 102 approximately. Again, still moving perfectly fine. I don't see any slippage on either side. I'm running out of weights. I have another 8 pounds. So that'll put us at 110. Still no movement. Got another 8 pounds. 118. Again, still moving the fence. So I'm out of weights. I got 118 pounds on it. Again, that's more weight than anybody should ever have on their fence. This will come out a little further so everybody can see that the fence is unlocked. Still moves it just fine. Got 110 pounds, 118 pounds on. I got 2 25s, 4 13s, 2 8.8s. So yeah, it's probably closer to 120 pounds. Yeah, that's more weight than I can even hardly move without the, and I got to put all my weight into that to move it. So if anybody has any questions or wants to see any other demonstrations, reach out and I'll see what I can do. And if anybody has a need for additional rare earth magnets, reach out and I can help you there too. Thanks for watching.